Ever glimpsed a street dog and pondered how to engage without triggering fear or inviting a bite? Today I'm guiding you through the process of befriending a street dog in just 5 easy steps. You'll be amazed at how straightforward and fulfilling it can be to connect with these remarkable creatures. Street dogs are frequently misinterpreted and mishandled. They might appear unkempt, famished, and hostile, but these dogs are highly intelligent, loyal, and affectionate. All they require is a bit of human love and care. Here are 5 simple steps to befriend a street dog. Step 1. Secure a peaceful and safe location. Street dogs are often skeptical of unknown faces and loud sounds. Hence, find a spot where the dog can feel at ease. Avoid bustling areas, heavy traffic, or locales with other dogs or animals. Step 2. Present food and water. Street dogs are often in need of food and water. Offering these basic necessities is an excellent way to earn their trust. Use nutritious dog food like dry pellets, canned food, or cooked meat. Avoid foods like chocolate, grapes, onions, garlic, or overly spicy or salty items. Always ensure the food and water are fresh and clean. Step 3. Approach with calm and patience. Street dogs may be fearful of abrupt movements or actions, so approach them gently and patiently. Avoid direct eye contact or staring, as these can be interpreted as threats. Instead, focus on their ears or tail and maintain a gentle smile. Avoid touching them immediately. Allow them to sniff you first and familiarize themselves with your presence. Step 4. Speak in a soft and friendly tone. Street dogs can detect your tone and mood, so use a gentle and friendly voice when interacting with them. Avoid shouting or yelling, which might frighten or anger them. Use phrases like good boy, good girl, hello, come here, or sit. Hand signals or gestures could also aid communication. Step 5. Reward them with treats and praise. Street dogs appreciate treats and praise, so reward them when they behave well or obey commands. Use healthy and tasty dog treats like biscuits, cheese, chicken, or fruits. Avoid hard or sharp items like bones, nuts, or seeds. Praise them with phrases like good job, well done, or you're awesome. Gentle petting on their head, back, or belly is also appreciated. Congratulations, you've successfully befriended a street dog in 5 straightforward steps. Now, you can relish your time with your new furry friend. Play, walk, or simply cuddle with them. You can also offer medical care, vaccinations, or sterilization. If you wish, you could even offer them a forever home. I trust you enjoyed this video and gained new knowledge today. If so, please show your appreciation with a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more enlightening videos. If you have any queries or suggestions for future content, please drop them in the comments section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.